welcome back to the Osborne Wood Products Builder Studio. My name is Sarah, and today we're going to be assembling one of our trestle table bases. Now we have these available on our website in two different options. The first one is the one that we're putting together today, which has a round turned leg option, and the other one has a square turned leg option. And the links to both of these options are going to be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Now when you order these, you are only going to get one trestle table base. So if you're trying to build a table with one on each end, then you'll want to make sure that you order two of these, because I know some of our products are available as a pair or a set of four or something like that, but this is just one single base. And when you order these, it's going to come disassembled just like you see right here. You're going to get the base, you're going to get your two legs, and then you're going to get your crossboard for across the top, as well as the hardware that you're going to need to assemble it, which in this case is just a couple of washers and a couple of nuts. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our round legs and we're just going to screw them into the pre-drilled holes right here. I'm just going to get this on here real quick. We're going to make sure that that's nice and snug on there, and then we're going to get this one put on here next. Now you'll notice with both of these center leg parts, they're going to have a wood screw on the bottom and then a machine threaded bolt sticking out of the top. You'll notice with this one I didn't have to do anything additional to it, just stand here and screw it into the base. With the top, the crossboard is going to have some pre-drilled holes in them, and I'll show you how to put that on here in just a sec. Okay, get that nice and tight there. Now, with the crossboard, it's going to have small holes on one side and larger holes on the other. You're going to want to make sure that the larger holes are installed facing up, because that's where you're going to want to screw in the that's where you're going to want to put the nuts and washers in. So we're just going to set this on top, just like that. All right, so now we're just going to put the washer on there, start our nut right there, and then we're going to finish it off with a ratchet real quick. Okay. All right, that's that one done. I'm going to step over to this one. All right. And so now we have it all set up and assembled. The next step, of course, would be to attach your tabletop. And you would attach it just to this cross brace right here. However you would want to get that done. You could also add table slides if you're looking to create an extending table. Really, at that point, it's up to you. And of course, the links to all of these products are going to be in the description. They're available in several different wood types each. And we also have pretty extensive custom capabilities. So for example, if you wanted this in something we didn't offer, like maybe ash or poplar, then we'd be able to get that made for you custom as well. And that's it for today, guys. So be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to also check out our Builder Studio playlist, where we have a bunch of other videos showcasing a bunch of awesome products that we've done. We'll also have a bunch more stuff coming out in the future, and we hope to see you there.